Another fine vehicle offered by Van Hyundai. This is a 2005 Ford F-350. It has the power to move what you need and the look too. It features a 6.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include dual power seats, air vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather interior, stylish premium wheels, a bed liner, disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system, a sliding rear window, and this vehicle has fewer than 53,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Ford qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today. Van Hyundai is located at 1301 North 35 East in Carrollton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.